Major developments in the lawsuit challenging Rhode Island's landmark pension reforms. Today, a judge ruled the case could be decided by a jury if it's not settled before going to trial. Eyewitness News reporter Susan Campbell joins us now live in our studio with the latest developments.
Mike, today the judge set the trial date for April 20th. Attorneys tell me they have a lot of work to do in the meantime. A judge has ruled the Rhode Island pension lawsuit will be decided by a jury.
We're pleased. We asked for a trial by jury. I'm a big believer in the jury trial system. I think that's what our system is founded on. I believe that in large part juries get it right.
John Tarantino represents the state, though the judge disagreed with his argument that the state has a constitutional right to a trial by jury. The judge used her discretion and granted one based on the Supreme Court's preference for juries.
This is a very important case for all sides. It's a very important case for the people of the state of Rhode Island, and I think it's the right decision to have a jury determine the factual disputed issues in the case.
In 2011, the state's pension system was overhauled to help close a massive shortfall. In 2012, a group of union workers and retirees sued the state, claiming lawmakers acted unconstitutionally when they reduced retirement benefits. All of the plaintiffs' attorneys declined our repeated requests for comment, but in court argued a trial by jury wouldn't be appropriate for the legal issues to be decided. The next pretrial conference is scheduled for January 13th, and the judge said discovery of evidence has to be complete by the middle of March. Coming up new at 6, our Eyewitness News legal analyst weighs in on why it may be a challenge to seat a jury in this case. I'm Susan Campbell, Eyewitness News.
Now the latest developments in the legal battle over Rhode Island's landmark pension overhaul. Public sector unions and retirees are suing over a law passed in 2011 that's designed to save the state billions of dollars over 2 decades. Today, a Superior Court judge ruled that a jury should decide the case's outcome. New at 6, our Eyewitness News legal analyst weighs in on why it may be a challenge to seat jurors in this case. Eyewitness News reporter Susan Campbell is here now with more.
Shannon, our legal analyst, tells me the jury selection process could be difficult because this case has had so much attention and because there are such strong opinions on both sides. Rhode Island's pension lawsuit is scheduled to go to trial in April, and the judge has ruled it will be a jury trial. Our Eyewitness News legal analyst Lou Polner tells me seating an impartial jury for the controversial case may be difficult.
The fact is that we're a small state, and ultimately, there are going to be people who are representative of both sides on the jury. The state can't just say, no, we're not allowing any state employees or relatives of state employees to be impaneled. It will be a tough job, but I believe, just like in any other sensationalized case across the country, they will find and be able to impanel a fair and honest jury.
And like other high-profile cases, Polner says there may be a bigger than usual jury pool.
I think it's going to be a large jury pool, and I also suspect, although I don't know this for sure, that they may send out questionnaires to the potential jurors before they ever show up at the courthouse.
That's if the case actually goes to trial. Governor Lincoln Chafee sent a brief statement to Eyewitness News saying, in part, I am pleased with Judge Taft-Carter's decision. Nevertheless, I continue to hope that settlement discussions will be revisited when the General Assembly returns in January. Late this afternoon, a spokesperson for some union members sent us a statement reading in part, whether presenting to a judge and or a jury, Council 94 is confident that our attorneys will present a strong case at trial. On the other side, an attorney for the state told me he's pleased with the judge's decision for a jury trial. Our legal analyst says he believes regardless of the jury's decision in this case, it will ultimately end up in the state Supreme Court's hands. I'm Susan Campbell, Eyewitness News.